Do you want to know how to easily create AI agents without too much work or too much effort? If so, this video is for you. Noem.ai, currently on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, is going to help you create AI agents really easily and really quickly, as you'll see in this video. And these are the same AI agents that are coming for all of our jobs in the near future. So even if you don't want to build these things, it's best to understand what's coming for you because they're coming. Hi, I'm Bjorn from the AI Underground. Now let's get started. This is Noem.ai on AppSumo. This is just an image of the sales page because the page hasn't been released yet. But by the time this video is released, there'll be a link in the description that you can click on. This tool lets you build AI agents that do all kinds of stuff for your business and even AI chatbots to help you handle customer service requests on your websites. Let's scroll down to see the pricing. So for the first tier, for $60 one time, you get 1,500 tokens. Not quite sure what that means yet. Second tier, $140, you get more tokens. Enable Shopify and Zendesk. I assume that's integrations with those. Advanced Shopify integration. Create custom AI agents is only available on the top tier. Creating AI images, blogs, social media posts, presentations, videos, and enabling Shopify is available on all the tiers. From what I understand from the AI blogs, it actually researches trending topics. So it's not just enter an idea and I'll make a blog post for you. It actually goes out and researches stuff that appears to be trending. We'll see how that works. So that's what we're going to focus on in this video, as well as social media posts to promote those blog posts. So let's check it out. When you first log in, you'll be asked if you want to create a chatbot or an AI agent. I assume you can create whatever number of any of them that you want. I'm going to select AI agent, and here are our options. And these are pre-trained agents. So we saw on the sales page that custom agents are only available for the top tier. That's not these. Custom agents will be over here, which requires the top tier upgrade. I assume that means you train them yourself. So these ones are pre-trained. We've got the blog writer, a chatbot based on ChatGPT, AI image creative, PowerPoint presentations, ads creative, YouTube video content. Let's try the blog writer like we said we would. Train your agents to understand your business and goals to produce the best results. This information is strictly used to train our Noem agents. You don't want to skip this because this is going to tell the bot about your business and your blog. So make sure you click Let's Begin and enter all your details. So I'm going to type in wplearninglab.com. It's good. Company name. Pulled it from the website. Good. I don't know why it wouldn't pull this as well. We offer WordPress tutorials, courses, and other training content. Click on Next. You could probably fill that description out a little better. To better address your ideal customer, what's your target audience? Entrepreneurs, business people, and individuals looking to build or grow their online presence using WordPress. Sounds pretty good. Click on Next. What makes your company different from your competitors? Step-by-step WordPress tutorials with free help and advice tailored to entrepreneurs and individuals seeking practical guidance. Sure, that sounds good. Click on Submit. Here we have two options. It looks like we're talking to the AI blog writer now. First option that is pre-built or pre-written, schedule daily blogs around topics in my industry, create a blog post about AI agents in the workforce. That's not tailored. Learn more. I can create blog posts that are SEO optimized, 2,000 words, have a hero image, a chart, and a diagram. The cost of generating a blog, an image, a chart to accompany the blog, and email the blog in file format is 150 to 200 tokens. If we go back to here, we get 1,500 tokens in the first tier. So you can make a number of blog posts with this. Ask me to schedule weekly blogs for you and you'll receive them in your inbox every week. Sample commands. Create a blog post about. Schedule weekly blog posts. Show me schedule blogs. Stop all schedule blogs. Create an image for my blog post. Create a diagram explaining content of my blog post. I think the most important thing in here is this one here. You'll receive the blog posts in your inbox every week. Because what we're creating here isn't just us talking to AI, going in here and saying, write me a blog post. This is an AI agent. This is supposed to be someone like a human working on your staff who goes out every week or whatever schedule you set and finds trending topics and creates a blog post for you to review. You can then publish it if you want. So I'm going to do this. Schedule daily blogs around topics in my industry and see what Bob says about that. Great. Also have a daily blog schedule focused on topics in the WordPress and online presence industry. A quick scan through this makes me think it's pretty good. Frequency daily, every weekday. That's a lot. That's going to chew through a lot of credits. Please tell me how you like your blogs exported. So I'm going to ask it to do 1 a week, not 1 a day, to save some credits. I'm going to have it WXR for WordPress for easy importing. Can you please create weekly blog posts, not daily, and create them in WXR format? Let's see if it understands those 2 instructions. Weekly blog posts are now scheduled. Each week, you receive high-quality, expertly written blog posts focused on the theme WordPress, growth, and online presence, delivered in WXR format. Nice. Here's what to expect. A fresh, valuable blog post in your inbox every week, ready to import WXR files for quick and simple publishing, topics designed for real-world entrepreneurs and business growth. You're all set. If you ever want to change the schedule, adjust the theme, or stop the blogs, just let me know. Wow. Well, that was easy. So I guess that's set up now. Under My Workforce, Bob should be in there. Yeah, Bob is writing blogs. Agents in the same company can talk to each other. For example, hey Frank, ask Brenda about our company strategy and create new ads based on it. Well, that's fun. Let's try that. Let's go to here. I want to create some social media posts. Let's select that. And this is different. I wanted to create an agent. Let's hire a gnome. Okay, this is where we want to be. So let's see, AI image creative. I want a social media post creative, but I guess this will do. Here are some things you can ask me to do. Create an image of a roaring lion facing the camera. Show me image styles I can use to create an image. Create a poster. I want this AI agent to talk to Bob, our other AI agent, so that we create images for our blog posts to promote it on social media. I don't know how well this will work out, but let's give it a shot. So here's my question. Bob is writing blog posts for us, and I'd like you to create images for those blog posts that we can share on social media. Can you talk to Bob about what the topic for the blog post is this week so that you can create great images for sharing on social media? Go. Let's see what Ishmael says. Getting staff directory. He's looking for Bob. Communicating with Bob. Good things take time. Working on it. I believe Bob also said that he was going to write emails for the blog posts. An email, I guess, that you could email to your newsletter subscribers. But if Bob doesn't do that, it'd be great to have another agent and they all talk to each other and they create all this content for you on a regular basis. And all you got to do is review it and publish it. That'd be super cool. Looks like talking to Bob takes quite some time. So it failed up here to talk to Bob and do what I asked. We're trying it again. Maybe Bob is hard to work with. Maybe Bob is out of the office. Or maybe because Bob hasn't written a blog post yet, this is hard to make the connection. But we'll try it again right here. If this doesn't work, we'll move on to the next thing. So they failed to talk to each other again. I'll have to revisit that. I don't want to create just one-off images. Hold on, what's all this up here? I'll just give us examples. I didn't see this at the beginning. Let's see what the advanced features are. I can assist in automating social media posts and scheduling image creation. Yeah, I'd like you to do that, but I want you to talk to Bob about the topic. Is that too much to ask? Look at this girl having a lunch with a dead squirrel on the table. That's weird. I'll have to revisit this because I feel like it'll work. I feel like it should work. I like it to work. Let's try another workforce person. Hire another gnome. This time I want to hire a YouTube video content creator. Hi, I'm Victor. I make YouTube videos. This is an example. I've definitely seen videos on YouTube that look like this. Probably using N8N is what they use to make those. Now you can use Noem.ai with a lot less technical stuff going on. Let's see what Victor can do. Victor will research trending niches, help in specialized niches, create high quality videos, schedule video creation. Okay, let's see if Victor can make a video for us right now. Of course, the power isn't in them making a video right now. The power is in them doing it for you on a regular basis, like an employee. To get started, could you please let me know what's the main topic or message of the video? Is the video for YouTube Shorts or YouTube Regular? Do you have any preferences for style or tone? Okay, let's answer these. The main topic is space facts for YouTube Shorts, actually. I feel like having a longer video of this style will melt your brain. No preferences. See if it understands what we just wrote there. Different ways of presenting instructions. Should be able to figure it out. It's thinking. It's generating a video. Has it really gone out that quickly and found a trending video for us? Here's a description of what he's doing, and then we can tweak it too. So let's just let this work and see what comes out. It's done already. Let's click play. Okay, full screen. There we go.
Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches? Space is bigger than you can imagine. Neutron stars formed from supernova explosions can spin up to 700 times per second. That's faster than a helicopter blade. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is actually a gigantic storm twice as wide as Earth, and it's been raging for over 300 years. Space isn't actually empty. It's filled with invisible forces, cosmic dust, and mysterious dark matter. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It spins so slowly that it completes one rotation in 243 Earth days.
That's pretty solid. That would take me a little while to make. Anybody would take a little while to make that. And Noem just made that in probably 2 or 3 minutes. And how many can it make? Probably as many as you want. Let's see if that chewed up some stats. Oh, before we do that, we just saw an example of what we want to make. You can have Victor send you this style of video every week, every day, maybe every hour. Let's see. Can you make me a video like this every hour? Not that I want to do it every hour. That would chew through credits super fast. Every day of the week, not every hour. But still, that's pretty solid. Let's see what the usage stats are. Maybe we can see what the stats are for videos and what's going on here. We saved $95, saved 5 hours, chatbot 0, images generated, saved $50 in 3 hours. Video, saved $10. I wanted to see how many, usage report. That's the one I want to see. I've used 42 tokens so far. Breakdown, I'd like to know how much that video is. Victor's video is the most, 200 use way more than 42. What is this up here? Token usage by day. It must not update in real time. Because here it shows 203 tokens taken by Victor. 6 for Bob, who hasn't done much yet. 24 for Ishmael, and 34 for Victor. And then another 203 for Victor. That's pretty cool. We can also purchase tokens if we want to, if we need to. So we have our AppSumo plan. And if that doesn't give us enough tokens, we can upgrade for more. Those are the plans. So the tokens upgrade 3,500, 7,500. When my token balance drops below 500 tokens, top up with $12, 600 tokens. So this is basically the AppSumo plans that we have here. Just the monthly version of them and how many tokens you get. 75 for the highest one. On AppSumo, 75 for the highest one. So these are the AppSumo plans. This free plan isn't on there. Although, might be fun to check out the free plan just to see how it works for you. But I think if you can get your agents, your Noem agents, talking to each other and working together to create content, that would be awesome. That would be huge, huge time savings. And that's the promise of AI agents, is stuff like that. And I feel like Noem could get you there. We tried with Ishmael to talk to Bob, but Bob wasn't responding and it wasn't working out. But I feel like with a bit of work and maybe with Noem's help with their support staff, maybe it could work out, or maybe as they develop the platform further. But even just having Bob put a blog post in your inbox every week is pretty solid. If you want to check Noem out, there's a link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. If you click that and you end up buying, I will get a credit for it. It does not make it more expensive for you. Just makes it so I can keep making these videos for free. And it's a super easy way to support the channel if that's what you want to do. And if you want to come here and check out one of these plans, go for it. You can always return it. Can you? You can upgrade and downgrade with this deal. So you can definitely try it out and return it if you don't like it. But AI agents are the way of the future, and you should get your feet wet. You should at least understand what they are. This is a cheap way to get hands-on with an AI agent platform to get your first AI agents up and running and helping you run your business. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit like, click subscribe to let me know, and then check out this video on your screen because I think you're going to like it, and I will see you there.